Hey everyone, welcome to LPW Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Flutter in 2025 step by step. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this guide will help you to set up the Flutter on your system. So let's download the Flutter SDK first. Open your browser and search for Flutter. Click the first link. On the Flutter website, click Get Started. Select Windows, select Android, and while scrolling, you will see that PowerShell and Git are required. Git helps manage dependencies and source code. Since mine is already installed, so I will continue. In the download then install Flutter section, click Flutter Windows stable.zip and the download will begin. So after downloading the file, create a folder named src in the C drive. Move the download file into this folder and extract it. After extracting the file, the next step is to setting up the environment variables. Open the Flutter folder, then open the bin folder and copy the path. Now search for Edit the System Environment Variables and open it. Click on the environment variable, select Path, then click Edit. Click New and paste the copied path and click on OK. Now let's check if Flutter is installed correctly. Open the terminal or command prompt and type flutter doctor. This command will verify if all dependencies are installed. If you see that Android Studio is not installed, it's important to install it because Flutter relies on Android Studio for its SDK, emulator, and debugging tools to build and run Android apps. So let's install Android Studio. Open your browser again and search for Android Studio. And click the first link. On the website, click Download Android Studio and agree to the terms and conditions and start the download. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Then click Next, 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 and install. The next step is setting up the Android virtual device. Click on Device Manager, then click the plus icon and select Create Virtual Device. Choose Pixel 3 and click Next. And select the Cube system image. Click Next. Here, I'm going to increase the internal storage. After that, click Finish. To run the device, click the play icon. You should now see that our device has successfully launched. In the next step, we will install the VS Code editor. Open your browser, search for VS Code. Click the first link and then click Download for Windows. After downloading, open the VS Code installer and follow the steps in the video to install it. In the next step, we will install the Flutter extension in VS Code. Open VS Code, click on the extension option in the left panel, type Flutter, and click install. In the next step, we will create a Flutter project. Open the command prompt and type Flutter create your project name. In the final step, we will run our Flutter project. Open the project in VS Code. You can open it by clicking the file option, then selecting open folder. So once the project is open, you can launch the emulator by typing Flutter launch emulator in the top menu. To run or debug the app, open the main.dart file in the lib folder. And click on the debug option in the top right. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and project ideas.